Hi everyone, it's me. Just giving you an update from here in good old McKeesport, Pennsylvania with my family and with friends. Everything's going good so far. I'm a little sore, but other than that, don't have a lot of complaints. The doctors took really good care of me. It was great to have my family and Shafi, and got to see my sister, and hopefully my niece is gonna come past today. It's kind of boring though. Can't really do too much for a few weeks, so just laid up looking at charity stuff, watching some basketball, getting ready for March Madness, and reading over some of the emails that some of you guys have sent in. So hopefully I'll be able to answer some of the questions in the next few days, but just wanted to give you an update on what's going on with me. I'm actually sitting here waiting for my mom to bring me some lunch. Can you imagine that? Finally get to come home and my mom is waiting on me hand and foot. Not really, but I'm doing well. Take care, and peace and blessings.